Hello, family friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tanisha with Life with Tanisha RN, and today I am unboxing the March, April, the latest Infinite Lotus subscription box. Y'all, I've had it for a few weeks. I think it's March because I got it in February. I've been on vacation, just returning back this past week. So yeah, this is March. This is the March soapbox. If it's your first time visiting, thank you so much. I appreciate you stopping by, and hopefully you like the content that you see. And chat with me in the comment section. Let me know if you subscribe to Infinite Lotus, and if not, or if so, what are some items that in the box that you like? I do subscribe to the deluxe box, so that includes everything. If you're returning, I thank you so much. I appreciate you indefinitely. All right, let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Okay. Yes. Okay, so March. And this is the like what's inside card. I absolutely love it. It's like this really nice thick vellum type. So I do reference this when I am checking out what's inside. Ooh, let me bring the box back. Let's just take this out. Ooh, there's a pen, y'all. And inserts. Okay, let's get that out of the way. Okay, we got some inserts. There's like a pad there. Okay. So, let's try to put everything together somewhat. And then we'll go through. All right. And there's the thank you card. There's the March calendar, and there's one that usually a little bit larger than this. So we'll see if that's in there. And then I love this little journaling type card. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Absolutely love it. So true. All right. So let's see. This is a Unipen fine liner. And I don't think this will be like one that you can use untransparent. Let's see if I do. I got, let's see. Of course, we've got some sticky notes here, but let's see. I've got some, oh, and this was actually an Infinite Lotus. I'm low on those that came in this box as well. Let's see. These are some transparent, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So let's look and see. I haven't used these. Ooh, these are really nice. These are from Cloth and Paper. See, this is why it's important to check your stash. Oh, there's transparent and there's matte. Oh, but these are so nice. All right, let's just check this out. Ooh, now forgive my husband talking out loud. So that's what it looks like. Let me give it a second or two to see if it will dry. There is some smudging. Yeah. This I'm pretty sure I don't think it's made for I'm gonna use those. Let's use this. I don't think it's made for the transparent. Yeah. Much better. Much better. All right. So again, this is the Unipen Fine Liner. And then we have the reminder sticky notes. Can never have enough sticky notes. If you're returning, you know how much I love florals and I love sticky notes. Sticky notes are essential to my planning supply list. Absolutely love it. and there are two. So I'm going to assume this feels like maybe like 25 sheets each. That's what it feels like. So it's two of those. Can never have enough. So let's put those right there. Let's see. We have a daily plan notepad. Ooh. This is good for like when you have those days like what I had yesterday. I mean, of course, I use my planner, but sometimes I just need something that, because I've got things that are just needs my attention, and it's perfect for brain dumping. And this right here, the daily plan pay notepad, I think is perfect. So at the top you have your priorities, you have your task, you can put the date there, and then you have some notes. This is perfect. Let me put these with my sticky notes, because that's gonna go on my desk. Sit that there. And then the next thing we have, since I'm gonna continue along with this here at the bottom, we've gone through everything except for the accessory pack. So let's see the accessory pack. Now the accessory pack typically contains like many really micro type of journaling cards and picture cards. Look at here. So let's just do this here. I'll put them like that so that you can see them, and they're just cute. That's cute. All right, let's put those with the other cards. And then what I really like about this subscription box, there is an intention. So each month we have intentions. So this is perfect. Let's see if I put it. I think, oh yes, I've already started my, yeah, I was going to say I can show you what February looks like, but I've already taken February out. Um, but I like to put this towards the front of my planner, and the smaller cards. So these are what you want to do: clean and refresh my wardrobe, and enjoy leisure moments. Now, just FYI, these pictures go along with each of these. Okay. And then the March intentions card kind of go and give you an idea. It's like a prompt basically. So clean and refresh. You want to deep clean my space and refresh any surroundings to invite clarity and positivity. Enjoy leisure moments. Make time to unwind with cozy movie nights or relaxing activities that bring joy and balance to my days. And refresh my wardrobe. You want to take time to go through my clothes and let go of anything that no longer fits, suits my style, or serves a purpose. This is one of the things I plan on doing for March and April. So perfect, perfect, perfect. Let me move these over here. And here is the March card that I was telling you about. Let's see. I think I moved it. Yes, I've already started moving things out because I was waiting for this. I should have waited so that you can see it, but I'll go ahead and put, yeah, because see, it was right here. February was right there in that slot. So let me go ahead and move her. And I'll put March right there. And then, actually, yeah, I'll leave that order tracker. That order tracker, that was actually part of Infinite Lotus subscription box as well, too. I don't always put that there, but I put it there because I do have a pending order. Actually, I've got one other order I need to add to that. So, yep, and there it is. And I'll do a like flip of this planner. This is my mini. This is my main planner. And I'll do a flip of this. So with the new items that are added from this box. I already put one piece in there. So stay tuned for that. Okay. Moving along. The next thing, let's go back up to the top. So there are 4 dashboards. Yep. Ooh. So the first one is cleaning habits. I don't have a cleaning section in this mini, but what this is going to, I was thinking about just yesterday, actually, I might need to bring out my other mini because this, for instance, this sub box here, I can already tell there are going to be inserts in here that I could use, but I don't want them in my main planner. So I may need to bring out the other mini and set it up for those other things that I may not, that I can use, but not in this planner. So this dashboard here is, let's see. Okay. Make your bed daily, put items away after use, wash dishes immediately. Y'all, I cannot stand dishes in my sink, so very easy for me. Vacuum or sweep often, take out the trash regularly. Hubs does that. Quick clean up before bed. I like to do that. Deep clean monthly, establish a cleaning routine. So these are things that I do, though those ones that I pointed out, like those are like the bold things. They, yeah, must. Okay, so like that. This is the, okay, that's floating bubbles. This is a monochrome flow. That goes well with that. Look at that. All right. And then we have March. Ooh, I can probably go ahead and put that there. Let's see. Where's my monthly? And I might need, and this is, let's see, I might put this here and here. And this is bubbles, floating bubbles. I like this. Ooh, I like that. Okay. So I think, because this is my monthly. All right. Maybe I can put it up here. This was Infinite Lotus. This is from last month. And this is Jane's agenda. So I'll take these out. I left those in there because I knew that there'll probably be something from Infinite Lotus monthly that I will put in. And I do like that. Very simple. Very simple. I like that. Okay. So let's put this over here. All right. Moving along. And these are the inserts. Okay, we have a cleaning routine. Y'all, I'm not going to take this out, but that's good. I really think maybe I need to make a home mini planner because in that planner, I can put things like this as well as holiday inserts, like gifting, dinners, everything dealing with home. Maybe I need to do that. I think I will. Movie log. I think this is good. This can be used not only for movie, maybe um, books. Although I don't actually read actual physical books, I do Audible. So movie, maybe I can use my label maker and put reading log too. This again can be under my. I think I may need to create a home planner, y'all. I got a mini that I can do that in. That's already got the holiday inserts in it. Cleaning routine and then task list. Now, task list, I can use this in both home and in my main mini, but I think I'll house it in home. Yeah. Okay. I got another project to work on. I need to put that. I need to put that in my. Let's see. Let's do that now. This is not my pen. I think I dropped it in my bag. Let's see. I think I put it in my bag, y'all. You know how you go from different areas of the house? And I've got a couple of planner bags that I use. Well, I tell you what, I'm not going to hold this off, but projects. Ooh, these are some. Okay, so I'll put it here. And I'll go over this, y'all, when I do my flip through. So, and I want to say this brain up page, yeah, it's for Infinite Lotus too. So I'm gonna say home planner. And I already know what that means because it was already on my radar to do that. So I think I will do that. Yeah. So stay tuned. Maybe I'll set it up on camera. And let me go ahead and put this with it because this needs to go in there. Yes, I like that. All right, friends. I thank you so much for joining me in this setup for not setup. Oh my goodness, the unboxing of the Infinite Lotus March 2025 sub box. It's just been a lot going on, y'all. A whole lot. Do you subscribe to the box? If so, what do you like this month? And if you don't subscribe, what do you like that I showed or that I pulled out of the box? What do you like most that you saw? All right, friends. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other's. Bye.